You guys, whoa, I feel like I'm about to be in a music video. I'm here for this look right now. We are getting in on this 2000s inspired look, kind of channeling a little bit of Paris Hilton meets a little J-Lo meets I don't know who else. Like, it's kind of a little bit of everything. And the fact that I had all this in my closet makes me so happy. Like, this scarf right here is actually for your hair, but we made it into, you know, a top. The glasses are the only thing that are kind of new. These are from Miss Lola, but the fact that we can find them now, I'm so happy for that. Like I said, I'm gonna be doing a full get ready with me. We are going down memory lane and we're talking all things 2000, from hair to makeup to fashion to things I was into. So what kind of inspired this whole look was a reel that I posted last week on my Instagram. I shared on there 3 of my favorite hairstyles from the 2000s, and these are the 3 that I went with, and I couldn't believe how much love I received on it. I didn't expect a lot of people to like it that much. So I thought to myself, how fun would it be to do one for YouTube where I actually sit down, we actually talk more, and we do a full look. So this is the look that I came up with. And something else that sparked major inspiration for this video and the reel is the fact that it is GHG's 20th anniversary. For those of you guys who don't know, GHG came out in 2001, which is the early 2000s, and they came out with the limited edition Platinum Plus styler that is in this beautiful ombre silver color. So to celebrate their 20th anniversary, we're gonna be getting in on this look. I'm gonna show you guys how I polished my hair with the Platinum Plus styler. Literally took me less than 10 minutes to do this entire hair. It was so easy. And overall, just kind of get into the 2000s. So with that being said, grab your snacks, grab your makeup, follow along, and let's get into today's video. And you know what, real quick, I'm sorry if I'm looking everywhere. I'm filming this on the iPhone and I keep looking here, and I realize right now that I'm supposed to be looking here. So if my eyes are everywhere, I'm so sorry about that. Anyways, enjoy. Hello guys, we are throwing it back today with this 2000s inspired look. For example, we got Juicy Tubes in today's video, which is so cool. I didn't start wearing this until I was like 18 because I worked at Lancôme. Fun fact. We got Juicy Tubes and we have a couple other things. For my eyes, we're gonna be using the Cosmetics BFF Palette. This is the one that they did in collaboration with Alondra and Elsie. Honestly, this palette is so cute, guys. There's a bunch of frosty tones in here, neutrals, pinks, blues. It's all the colors you need for a video like this. So we're gonna throw some pink on the eyelid, hit that right into my crease. In the 2000s, the vibe was really a lot of whites on the lid, on the brow bone, a lot of frost on lid and brow bone, a lot of color, a lot of silver. You know, the Y2K vibes, everything was silver and chrome and that metallic. So you saw a little bit of everything. But I will say that creases did not exist in the 2000s. I think everyone kind of forgot they had a crease, including myself. What I'm gonna do now is grab the color Bless, which is this like bright metallic shade. I'm also gonna grab like a little bit of Baby E, and I'm gonna hit that on my brow bone. I remember the last time I wore frost on my eyebrow, but we're doing it. It's actually kind of cute. I'm gonna grab the color Baby E, and I'm gonna hit that on the lid. So I'm gonna tap this all over the lid, kind of just let it like trickle up into the crease color. Very much the vibes right here. Honestly, this lid color is perfect for this look. I used to have a color very similar to this. I believe it was from CoverGirl and it was a one single eyeshadow, but it kind of looked like this. And this is actually the color that I used to love wearing. We're gonna be doing eyeliner as well. I'm gonna be using just a classic black liquid liner. Now, liquid liner was something that I did wear growing up. I did not know how to wing. Everything was rounded. The wing, tip, everything. I just always rounded it. I didn't know how to wing my eyes. But now that I do, we're gonna do a little baby wing. I'm gonna be using Haus Labs in the shade Punked. This is honestly how I envisioned my eyeliner to look. I'm gonna be throwing it way back with this L'Oreal Voluminous mascara. This was my go-to mascara when I was, I wanna say like a freshman. This is a mascara that I really, really liked. I actually already started applying on my foundation and realized I was not filming, but on my skin right now, I am using Lancôme Tintidol and 380 Bisque W. I was actually like a huge foundation fan growing up. I used to wear Max Factor. It was a stick foundation. That was like my go-to. And I think that's actually what got me into full coverage because I really like the coverage on that stick. But honestly, this is how I would wear my makeup back in the day. Just like a full face of foundation and that was it. So I've been thinking about my makeup inspirations growing up. Like who inspired me with makeup? And I actually have a few people. They're all kind of different, but they all have like their moments. So my first inspiration growing up, from eyes to brows, everything, was Christina Aguilera. She was somebody who I absolutely loved her look. You know, think about all the music videos, her award shows, anytime she was just on stage or red carpet, her looks were always very inspiring, very bold. And it's kind of funny because I was more of a Britney Spears fan than Christina Aguilera, but I liked her style better. So she was somebody who I really just like overall admired so much. Can't forget Mandy Moore. I was a Mandy Moore fan, which is crazy because she is like kind of plain Jane, but she was somebody who I thought was just beautiful. Always had the best hair, honestly. Another group actually that I really looked up to for everything was Destiny's Child. They were somebody who I absolutely just really liked. Everything about their style, their makeup, their fashion, their hair. Everyone's look is completely different, but it's like definitely their own style. I'm gonna go ahead and add some of my favorite concealer. This is Maybelline Asia Wine. I told you guys in the last video, I've been hooked on this again. It's so good. So even though I didn't wear concealer, you know, growing up because I didn't need it, nor did I want it, I didn't know much about it, I still want to include it. I still want to look a little alive in this video. Just concealer's life. That's like the one thing I think that I will forever use in my makeup routine, no matter like the look. Like it's like adding a little bit. It's great for correcting, great for brightening. Went ahead and did the rest of my complexion off camera. I'm gonna now get into some blush. I'm gonna go ahead and hit my cheeks with a little bit of You're My Person blush. This is so pretty. Wow. I always feel like blush gives everyone such a youthful glow to their skin. Blush alone just does so much to someone's complexion and makeup look. It's very youthful and healthy and young. I'm gonna hit a little bit of setting powder underneath my eyes. I mainly use this so that it doesn't crease up. Brightening as well, but mainly for like the creasing purposes. So you know what, while we bake, we're gonna do things a little different on here, and I'm gonna actually get into my lip color. When I was looking at some of the 2000 photos for inspo, a lot of it was the colors I actually like to wear now, which are browns. I pulled out some brown lip color, some brown lip pencils, and then some juicy tubes, which I'm very excited to mix up. And I'm gonna try to do my lips very 90s-ish. I'm gonna be using this lip pencil from Kylie. This is called Girl Strip. Fun fact, I have a little scar right there because I used to have my Monroe pierced. I did it when I was a sophomore in class. With my earring. It was disgusting. I didn't want my belly button pierced and my tongue. Isn't that so funny? Can you imagine the tongue piercing? I'm gonna go ahead and hit this color called Caramel right into the center of my lip, and I'm gonna actually apply it on with a blending brush. For my lip, I'm gonna add on a juicy tube. This is in the shade Spring Fling. I couldn't afford it, but it was still my favorite lip gloss. Everybody wanted the juicy tubes. I used to wear NYC lip gloss in the Strawberry Banana. It was, I think, like $1 or $2 at Walmart. I'm sure you guys know what I'm talking about. But yeah, juicy tubes were everything growing up. They were a little expensive for me when I was like in high school, but after high school, when I started working at Lancôme, that's when I got like obsessed with them and started using them. It isn't the 2000s if your hair is not on point. 2000s was such a moment with hair. The styles were so fun and wild and sexy, and honestly I feel like it was more about the hair than the makeup. I grew up on butterfly clips, jumbo clips, zigzag parting, and the list goes on the different hairstyles that I did. And I'm somebody who always has been really into hair. Like I've always switched up my hair. Like if you guys notice, most makeup tutorials or most videos on here, I will always have a different style. Even if it's just the parting or the pattern of a curl, something will always be a little different because I've always loved hair. When I think of 2000s, I think definitely accessories and definitely some type of style. Even if it's down, it needs to be polished. Like it was all about the hair, honestly, all about the hair. So what am I doing today? I still really don't know. Give me like a few seconds to brainstorm and then we'll get started. Hair is gonna make the biggest difference in this entire look and really pull it all together. So I went ahead and did a quick blow dry on it last night, and now we're gonna go ahead and polish the edges, make everything look nice and smooth and just put together. And to style my hair, as I mentioned, we're gonna be using GH's Platinum Plus Styler, but today's styler is a little different. I'm gonna be using their limited edition Platinum Plus Styler that they made specifically for their 20th anniversary. It is this beautiful ombre silver color. It goes from a gunmetal to a brighter silver, and it comes inside of this really cute silver bag as well. It says 20 on there. And for those of you guys who don't know, their bags are heat resistant. So when you are done, you wrap it up, you put your little protector on top, and it protects you from getting burned, and you can travel with this as well. For those of you guys who don't know about it, it's called a styler because it has rounded edges, so you are able to curl your hair in, curl your hair out, get full curls, tight, loose. I mean, the list, it goes on. And because they are rounded, you don't get dense. It's really easy to just kind of work it and roll through. Now, if you guys are watching this video weeks from now, months from now, years from now, and you want this styler, more than likely it may not be available because it is limited edition, but they always will have it available, but it's gonna be in their original colors, which are either a black one or a white one. So for today's look, I'm gonna be pretty much straightening my hair, but at the very end, we are gonna be curling them in. I kind of want everything everything to go in. And I'm doing that because we're gonna be doing a half up, half down. And when the clip is in, I want this to kind of just waterfall over versus it being straight or being too curly. I really want it to curve in. So we're gonna go ahead and get started by turning on the tool, one little dial, and it's gonna beep once it's ready to go. Ready. I'm gonna go ahead and part my hair down the middle. And then from there, I'm just gonna take my hair into 4 sections. Woo. I'm just gonna go ahead and run the styler over my hair and just start to kind of straighten it out. And then at the end, just do a light curl in. So you guys can see I'm literally just smoothing out the edges, rounding it all in. This is like the good part about your hair being already blow dried. It's so much quicker. It's done like in 5-10 minutes. I wanna know down below what your guys' favorite hairstyle it was in the 2000s. I know for a fact I'm not the only one who did a zigzag part, but I would wear them with little space buns, or as I like to call them chonguitos, also with like butterfly clips, or my hair just being down and straight. My mom always remembers middle school and high school me waking up between 5:30 and 6 to get ready for school. Can you believe that? I didn't have to leave to go to school until like 7:15, but I would be up early because I would want to shower, I would want to do my hair. I didn't wear makeup during that time. I would just take so much time doing my hair. See what a difference just the styler does? It even adds like a little bit of shine to the hair as well. I'm gonna go ahead now and do the top portion. This is where my real hair is at. And then instead of curling it in, I'm just going straight so that it blends perfectly in. And then I'm just pretty much putting my bang on the side because this is what I'm gonna curl at the very end. So there we go for that side of my hair. Woo. Almost done. Gloss in the hair is not it. Not the move, not the move. So the next portion is gonna be adding the hair in the half up, half down clip. So I'm gonna use this hair tie to secure it, and then from there clip it up. Now the whole point of this is to be as effortless as possible. So all we're gonna do is tilt my hair back, pick up as much hair as needed. I think we are good right there. And then I'm gonna use this hair tie and wrap it around. So now really quickly, curl in the bangs. Just like that. And then now, final part, just twisting like that and clipping it. So easy, I'm telling you guys. It's like the easiest look. I know, you guys probably like, that's it? Actually, you know, I think I have to do a smaller clip. This is from Target, isn't it so cute? So many cute clips out these days. Oh yeah, that one's perfect. And then I'm just going to round in these edges a little more. And also the more layers you have or the shorter your hair is, the more intense the little waterfall is going to look. It's not even called a waterfall, I'm just calling it that. If you're someone who has long hair and you try this and you're just gonna feel like it's not giving you like the waterfall umph, it's more than likely that you don't have a lot of layers. I don't have a lot of layers. So for me, I'm gonna grab a bobby pin and just kind of pin this little section right here up. It's gonna give it just a little bit more volume, and so it really just gives it that like wow factor. I am gonna grab some hairspray. Oh, there it is. Just do a couple of sprays. 2000's AF or what? So as I mentioned for the look, I want to wear this as kind of like a bandana top. I think it'll look really cute and kind of complement this hair look. And jeans, I don't got low rise guys, but I have these cute ones. They're not all the way up here, but they're, you know, nice and midi. So I think, I don't know, I'm gonna try this on and we'll be back to show you guys. Giving major spring 2002 vibes. I just threw on, oh, actually this one ended up not working out. This was a little bit too silky, and I don't know, the print wasn't giving it to me. I wish this was like butterflies or something, but anyways, had this little LV scarf. It's kind of vintage in a way, so I just made this work as a top. And then threw on these glasses, Miss Lola, shout out Miss Lola. Only thing is these jeans, I'm not feeling them. Not a fan of them being like this bagginess right here. Mid-rise, bagginess, the bottoms. I can't with the bottoms. I'm trying to love them, I can't. I love everything from the waist up. I feel like I'm in a music video right now. You guys, this is kind of a vibe.
I like them, that's how my jeans look like.
I don't know if I like these on me though. They're not flattering on me.
Oh, they look great.
The final accessory to this whole look is going to be perfume. You cannot leave your house without perfume. At least I can't. I've always been a perfume or body spray or like a scented lotion kind of girl. Now there's one perfume that I have loved since I was in high school, loved after, and love until this day, and I still have it. Not the same one. I've repurchased it multiple times, but it is Britney Spears Fantasy. This perfume right here, if you know, you know. It just smells amazing. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish it off. And we are good to go. That is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope it took you guys a little bit back to the 2000s and you enjoyed it, kind of, you know, hearing the things I was into, the styles I liked, and then also knowing how to get this entire look right here. If you guys like it, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you guys want me to recreate another 2000s look. If you guys have recommendations, always send it through my Instagram so I can see photos. Photos help me out so much. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And then a big thank you to GHG for working with me in today's video. I love you guys. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So with that being said, I will see you guys later. Bye.